Hello and welcome back to MTDCNC North America. Today I wanted to discuss with you the Datanomix Continuous Improvement Hub. You may already know the Datanomix Automated Production Intelligence Platform for providing real-time insights into what's happening on your shop floor right now. It's incredible for day-to-day operations. But did you know they also deliver reliable insights for overall factory trends over time? And with the newest addition of the CI Hub to their production monitoring platform, factory leadership now has a dashboard to quickly view overall factory health over a selected period of time. With CI Hub, you get a one-stop resource to quickly see if your factory is trending up or down. So let's take a look. First, let's do a quick tour of the CI Hub. Let's start by showing production trends from August to October of this year. The first thing you'll notice in the CI Hub is the letter grade at the top of the screen and the stock ticker like graphics just below. The letter grade is across all the jobs during this time period. Next are the key performance metrics: utilization, time to first active, and cycle time achievement. These three measurements give you an indicator of shop performance at a glance. If the up or down arrow is green, as shown here, you are improving. If it's red, performance is, as you might guess, declining. Right below the stock tickers is the top improvements area. This selection identifies which machines contributed to the biggest performance boosts in the three categories so you understand which jobs are helping you meet your factory's goals. These are the jobs that will serve as your blueprints for success. Top improvements are followed by top opportunities. Here you can see which jobs are causing the most issues across three performance metrics. The top opportunities clearly identify which jobs provide the biggest opportunities for improvement and increased profitability. You know exactly where to focus your continuous improvement efforts. Want to find out exactly why your numbers are where they are? CI Hub lets you dig deeper into the data by simply click on Show Me the Money. Just kidding. Click on Show Me Report. Let's start with the utilization ticker. Here, we see utilization has increased by 27.1% from August to October. The trend line shows how utilization dipped a bit in September, but came back strong in October, accounting for a lot of those gains over the time period. The heat map below breaks down each week by individual machine, giving you a quick indication of which machines contributed to improvements in green and which had issues in red. When we dive into the time to first active, we are showing a metric that business owners absolutely love. Time to first active shows how long into a shift the machine takes to become active. When you improve this statistic by any amount, it's found money. When you start churning parts earlier into a shift, you crank out more parts overall. It's as simple as that. It's something simple that can provide huge returns. Finally, let's dig into cycle time achievement. With Datanomix, you see how each and every job is performing against the benchmark cycle time. This deep dive indicates not only if cycle times are getting better or worse, but also shows how each machine is working for each and every part. When you have a thorough understanding of cycle times and where they should be, you understand which jobs are underperforming and which opportunities there are for improvement. When you invest in a production monitoring system, you want to know your investment is driving gains in efficiency and ultimately profitability. Datanomix delivers guidance to everyone on the team. The shop floor gets real-time feedback on production to know where to focus, and management can track long-term trends to understand where to invest. And the CI Hub accelerates understanding about overall factory performance. Thank you all so much for tuning in to this special technical corner from MTDCNC about the Datanomix Continuous Improvement Hub, and I hope I have earned the privilege of your time. Take care.